Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to disable VPN in Windows. So first of all, you'll have to navigate to settings. For that, click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Hover over the gear icon. Now you'll be able to find the option for settings. Simply click on it. Now the settings will be opened. You'll be able to find several options like system, devices, mobile devices, etc. Find the option for network and internet and click on it. Now you'll be led to the network and internet interface. At left, you'll be able to find the options like status, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, dial-up, etc. Find the option for VPN and click on it. Now you'll be led to the VPN interface. Over here, you'll be able to see all the VPN connection. If you're connected to a VPN connection, what you have to do is click on that particular connection. Right now, I'm not connected to any. So simply click on that VPN connection and you'll be able to find the option for disconnect. Click on it. After that, that particular VPN will be disconnected. Additionally, you can also toggle off these settings. Allow VPN over meter networks. Allow VPN while roaming. Now after doing that, your VPN will be disabled. So like this, you'll be able to disable the VPN. So that is how you disable VPN in Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.